Hello friends, so we are going to discuss log, log10 and power functions in the math module. Math.log, first log function, math.log num comma base. Num is a number and base is an optional. We can pass number and base or number alone is sufficient, which returns the natural logarithm of the num. It returns a domain error if the num is negative, and it will return a range error if the num is 0. When you pass math.log of 1.0 gives natural logarithm of 1.0, math.log of 1024, 2 gives the logarithm of 1024 base 2. Next, log 10. Math.log 10, log math module, log 10 is a function. You can pass a number, returns the base 10 logarithm of num. It will return a domain error if the num is negative or a range error if the num is 0. An example, math.log10 of 1.0 is base 10 logarithm of 1.0 will return. Next, the power function math.pow of base cum exp returns the base raised to the exp power. For example, math.power 3.0, 0 gives the value of 3 power 0. Math.power 4.0, 2 gives the value of 4 square. Now we will see the demo. Here I am importing the math module. Import math, print math dot, I'm calling the natural logarithm of 1. Next, I'm writing another print function math dot natural logarithm of 1024, and second the base is 2, is an optional one. I'm running this program. So log of 1, the value is, natural logarithm is 0. I'm running this program. The natural logarithm of 1 is 0. The logarithm of 1000, natural logarithm of 1024 base 2 is 10.0. Print math dot log 10 of, I'm giving 1. Next, print math dot power of 3, 0. Next, I'm printing math dot power of 4, 2. I'm saving the program and execute it. So I'm giving the natural logarithm of 5 here. So this is the answer. The natural logarithm of 5 is 1.6. Logarithm of 1024 base 2 is 10. Power of 3, 0. 3 power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. 4 power 2 equal to 16. So our answers are correct. So in this video lecture we have discussed log, log base 10 and power functions with demonstration. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.